Yo, what's going on, guys? I am TechBoy is back with another video, and today I'm gonna show you guys how to make a channel banner for your YouTube channel. I have created a video like 3 weeks ago about how to add channel banner on YouTube, so this time I will show you and tell you how to make a YouTube channel banner using mobile. So for that you have to need this app from which I make thumbnail. So Pixel app you can download it from Play Stores. Download it, and for the channel banner you will need a background picture. So first of all, let's download the background picture, then continue on. So let's choose white background background okay okay white background for YouTube channel banner, channel art. Okay, white images. Okay, here are some different kind of banners, so let's choose this one and download it, this image. Let's download this image, and now let's go to the Pixel app. First of all, let's see is there any more cool background. These are so pretty nice. Okay, let's download this one. This is more good. I'll put it on my channel. uh, First of all, okay, when you have downloaded the background for the channel banner, you can open the Pixel app, and now let's take the image size, go to the image size and convert it to YouTube channel banner. So let's use the image from the gallery. Okay, downloads this one. Okay, the channel banner background is there. Now let's write my channel name. You can add a lot of different stuff. So first of all, IMTECHBOY. Okay, let's go and edit some stuff. If you don't know how to use Pixel app, so you can watch my how to make HD thumbnail video. So in that I've shown you how to use Pixel app and make HD thumbnail. So from there you can learn how to use this. So let's increase the size first. Okay, 95. That will be enough. Color black. Font should be Amaranth Bold. I'm TechBoy. I'm making just a simple. This is the simple banner. You can add like thousands and thousands of different stuff in it, but I'm just making a simple banner. So first let's import one more thing. Let's go down. Subscribe now. Okay, I can use this as one more decoration or uh, good stuff. Use just place this above and place this right here. It's looking nice now. So I will save it. I'm trying to make it short because if you are a mobile user, so in the mobile YouTube channel it will not shown complete. I will show you if that happens. So let's save this to the gallery, and your channel banner has been created. Okay, some ads. I hate ads, especially when they are disturbing or interrupting my YouTube videos. So my channel banner is ready, and if you guys know how to add channel banner, you can just add it, or you can watch my last 2 or 3 week old video. So let's go to the Google Chrome and let's go to the YouTube, and first of all let's turn this into a desktop site. Where is it? Desktop site, and let's go. Okay, first of all switch my account to my IMTECHBOY account. And if you guys don't know about my this account, A590 gaming account, this is my second gaming channel account. I make Minecraft videos. So if you want, if you guys are IMTECHBOY, sorry, if you guys are Minecraft fan, you can just watch the videos. Okay, let's go to your channel, and I will, you guys, okay, this is my old channel banner. Oops, not, I don't want to click it. This is my old channel banner. I am TechBoy. Subscribe. Let's customize this. No, not, oh sorry, I just went into the customize option. You can just go to your channel. Here there will be a pencil. Oops. Yes, you can just click on the I am TechBoy channel banner. Let's select the banner. Okay, yep, this is the banner, and it's uploading. Hurry up, and done. Okay, I think I found the problem, but it's still a good banner. Let's select it, and it will be saving. It's saving. Okay, I don't know what's the problem. I will just refresh the page, and it's done. I'm TechBoy. I told you there will be some minor problem. I will just be right back. Let's go into the Pixel app. Let's drag it a little bit down. Okay, let's drag this little bit down. Now let's save this image. Let's change that again, and let's show you how it's look now. So I was talking about this problem. Sometime it's make this type of problems. Your channel banner should be small, or it will not be fit correctly. Okay, let's see this one uploading, and okay, it's taking time. It's okay. I think I've got it. Okay, I've got it. Now it's looking good. I'm TechBoy. Subscribe now. So guys, wait a second. Let's show you from the mobile for which I've done this. So let's wait for a second, TechBoy. Okay, I was seeing my friend's YouTube video. Okay, I'm TechBoy. Subscribe. It's still not fitting. I don't know what to do. Okay, I will pause this video and I will be right back. Okay, I have changed the banner right now. Okay, let's refresh this and hopefully it works. I'm TechBoy. It's still not working. Okay, I will fix this problem after the video. So guys, if you like this video, please smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. Hopefully you understand some things or a lot of things in this video. If you did, you can smash the like button and comment in the comment section if you don't understand anything or something that I said it very in a different way that you can't understand. So you can tell me in the comment section. I will soon, when I see your comment, I will soon help you out about that problem. So guys, see you in next week Saturday. A brand new video will be uploaded. You can guys leave a video comment what video should I make next time, because there is so much problem to get some videos ideas. Sometime my video get late because this problem about the video idea. Okay guys, the video is getting too much big. Yeah, I know guys are getting bored. So guys, see you in the next video. Until bye.
Don't let me